Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shatoyland. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. So today, today, I'm going to be doing a clean with me video. So guys, you're gonna come along with me and clean my home because Junior, which he's 5, if anyone has any toddlers, you know what I'm talking about. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. Hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you again for stopping by. Thank you. And guys, just a disclaimer, please don't judge how I look today in this video because hey, it's my chill day and you know what, I get a mommy pass. So I look a hot mess, but I'm learning to just get on camera, you know, as you are, instead of just always constantly having to make up your face, get dressed. That can be a lot, and sometimes that actually stops you from making videos and, you know, content, especially when you're a mom, a busy mom. You don't always have the time to get dressed, do your makeup, and, you know, things like that. So I decided to just go ahead and be transparent with you guys and show you my flaws, and I'm not always dressed up with makeup looking cute. Most of the time I'm in mommy mode, so there you have it. But yeah guys, don't judge me. So yeah, there's those Halloween cups. Those are Junior cups. He grabbed those from, I want to say, Family Dollar, and he has been just using those cups every day. Now guys, I'm gonna clean off this the kitchen counter, and it has like a bar area right here, so that's what I'm gonna be cleaning now. So this here, and then like the bar area. As you can see, Junior's Super Mario, he has his lunch things over there. I'm gonna clean off this here. More dishes. You know how you go around the house and you just find more dishes? There you have it. That is Junior's school lunch container, his micro, I want to say, yep, that's his school lunch cup from Minecraft, and his juice cup. Yep, and right here, yep, there go Junior's messing with my iPad. He can't never leave my iPad alone. And he has to always use it for Roblox. I knew that was coming. Yep, and then he just leaves it there. And he's actually on his iPad, while he has mine running as well. So he's occupying 2 iPads at the same time. That's just what he does. And I'm just here, I'm cleaning those mats. I haven't used those in a while, so I figured I will lay those back out. I love gray and white. My whole house most likely is got some gray in it. As you can see, my daughter's in the kitchen rinsing off the mats for me. Being such a great daughter. And there's my iPad setup, and usually I actually just use my iPad for work. And that right there, that is the Amazon Alexa, which is amazing for like recipes and cooking in the kitchen. Now I'm going to clean off this junky microwave that for some reason we all store things in this wicker, like this basket. Like I throw my keys in there, there's earrings in there, there's batteries, a lighter, there's a Victoria's Secret coupon, and then as you can see, that's Junior's lunch bag that's in it. So yeah guys, I'm sure everyone has a place where they throw all their junk into, and that will be mine. I don't have a junk drawer. It'll be that, and I don't know why. Maybe because it's just so convenient when you come through the door, just throw your keys in here. So yeah, that's actually what I'm showing you right now. That's Junior's Apple Pencil, and there's an air freshener thing in there. I'm not sure what I put in. There's $1 there, I see. Yep, guys, it's just messy. But there we go. And as you can see, I did leave some things in there because that's just that's the home for the chargers and stuff like that. Junior school folder. Coldest water bottle in the building. Just thinking, where should I put this candle? It smells really good. And here's the living room area. It wasn't too bad. Just had to pick up some of Junior toys, spray a little, Windex, Febreze the sofa, just because Junior lays on it and do all kinds of stuff on it, so I just Febreze a little bit. The glass wasn't too bad. The end tables was not bad at all actually either. So there you have it. And vacuum really quickly, which makes a big difference once you vacuum. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, guys. I won't talk your ears off. I just wanted to let you guys know a few things. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully you will like the video, subscribe to me. More videos is coming, guys. I'm getting a little comfortable in my skin. Had a rough year with, this COVID and everyone in the house, so you tend to lose yourself a little bit, but I'm coming back into my own skin, guys, so just give me some time. But you'll see me more now than you ever seen me before. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.